Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu X1 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you open the menu, scroll through it and look for the option called the settings, basically settings icon. And once you find it, tap on it of course. In settings, look for the option called display and brightness and tap on it. And then tap on brightness. And here we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. And once you're done, you can press the back button, the lower button, to go back. To watch face, you need to press it a couple of times though. You can also do this through the control panel, control menu. To open the control menu, you can press and hold the upper button. Once the menu opens, by default you won't see the brightness icon here, but you can tap on edit button, then tap on add button, scroll through the list, look for the brightness option. Once you find it, tap on it, and you should see the message control added. Then you can tap on the check mark. And as you can see, the brightness appeared right here on the control panel. Once you're done editing, tap on done. And now we have the brightness icon. And whenever you open the control panel, you can tap on this icon and adjust the brightness to your liking by pressing the plus or minus buttons. Maybe that's too bright. Let's lower it after all. And then you can press the back button again to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.